Ever rage quit your phone because autocorrect thinks you're writing Shakespeare? Let's rewind to when people typed with actual hammers. Welcome to 1870s Technotropolis, where our boy Edison Jr. here is punching brass keys in a candlelit garage like it's a Morse code workout. Fast forward to the roaring 20s. Typewriters are mass-produced, clacking like a jazz band on too much espresso. The 50s hit, and the office floor turns into a symphony of secretaries typing faster than your grandma's gossip chain. Enter the 1970s. Someone's in their basement thinking, what if we took a typewriter and made it beep? Boom. Keyboards are born. Then came the 90s. Floppy disks, Windows 95, and typing LOL like it was revolutionary. If your keyboard didn't sound like a typewriter having a panic attack, was it even real? Today, sleek wireless setups, RGB lights, and enough macros to launch a NASA mission just to write an email. And coming soon, mind-controlled keyboards. Just think your essay into existence. No excuses, Karen. From type hacks to thought tracks, this journey's been wild. Like, comment, and follow, or your keyboard might turn into a typewriter tonight.